Viva Board machining. Cutting. Hand saw cutting is suitable for low volume work. Circular saw is suitable for most cutting. Tungsten carbide tip blade is recommended. Jigsaw cutting is suitable for trimming. Please note that angle grinder is not recommended for Viva Board cutting. Drilling. High-speed drill with HSS steel drill bits is recommended. Routering. Viva Board can be milled by using common router with tungsten carbide tip. The recommended routing bit speed should be at 25 to 35 meters per second. Please consider appropriate thickness of board for each milling job. Sanding. Electric sander with abrasive paper of 40 to 80 grains is recommended. Hand sanding is possible. Nailing. Viva Board up to 10 millimeters thickness can be manually nailed onto timber frame without pre-drilling. For furniture and decorative work with natural finish, use pneumatic nailer. Screwing. Viva Board can be screwed with both conventional self-tapping screw and Viva screw. When using conventional self-tapping screw, pre-drilling with 20% oversized hole is required. Countersinking must be done before screwing. Viva screw is self-drilling. It drills oversized hole and countersinks in one step. Viva Board is a flexible, multi-use, and durable construction material with easy, convenient, and fast installation process.